Could never understand everything the way, and as years go by until the day I die, I'm blessed to say that I was born for you. Stand today like a young Christian, standing out to life to together. Light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you really like forever. I've been this moment of my life, so surprised with the green side, the carrying me away. Oh, this day I promise forever. Oh, this day I surrender. Over every word that I say on this day. Hello po, Boss Nico, Madam Nico. Your eyes, show me where to start. Let me be a part of your first love. All the stars around, every wind knows us to my love. Those who live for single words to tell, fading out to leave the lost and never let it go. So we'll never know the ways of love. To believe in action, tell me how to keep one eye. It's just in the world that's full of strangers. Forget to believe in action, something stronger than to move above. It's that you wear to people in love. That's a deliberation. Tell me how to people find each other. That's full of strangers who get to believe in action. Some love that apart. But since that you went to people more in love, tell me how to people find each other in the world that's full of strangers who get you through something's apart. Cause it's magical to be controlled in love. I thank you so much. Sir, baka meron kayo baka meron po kayo gusto marinig sa amin bukod po sa mga masasakit na salita. Hindi. Parang kasi sinasabayan ako ni Sir, parang feeling ko kumakanta si Sir. Oo nga, parang feeling ko, total tayo pa lang naman ng tao. Gusto mo pa kumanta, Sir? Ay! Ganyan lang. Siguro parang feeling ko na-ingit yung dalang ganda ng wine. No? Ano ka, Sir? Dali! Meron tayong first jammer. Kapag meron tayong first jammer, parang feeling ko meron din tayong way naman. Oo. Sir, gapo mo naman. Oo. Kawagana na, Sir. Hindi, papaayos natin yan. Hello. Kaya nga para mas malapit na lang kayo. Hindi pa naman. Ay, hindi na naman nauuna. Oo. Sir, ano ang pangalan mo, Sir?
Eric.
Si Eric yung natin may Eric. Si Eric ilang taon na? 31. May asawa for sure.
Wala pa.
Single yung mga ganyan?
Oo, siyempre. Nag-i-enjoy pa sa...
Tama. Mas maganda yung gano'n na...
Yes.
Pero may anak ka na.
Wala pa.
Wala ka rin. Single. Anong gusto mong kantahin, Sir?
Heaven Knows.
Heaven Knows ng Orange and Lemons.
Yes.
Huwag kang panaloko. Go! And welcome natin, boss. Hello, boss. Good evening po. Enjoy po kayo, ha? Nasaan yung palaman ko? Ay, pumunta nila ako. I love you. If you don't mind, Sir Eric, anong trabaho mo?
Supervisor. Isang restaurant.
Ay, talaga.
Yes.
Malapit dito.
Yes.
Asian. Filipino.
Buffalo Wings.
Sa Buffalo Wings. Okay.
Sige, okay.
Go!
Kinakabahan ako.
Karaoke karaoke.
Ways to get there, and my eyes are like windows on a rainy day. Both uptown swelling as I keep on feeling my face in this world has no time. Heaven knows how it takes my life. 'Cause this angel has been away from me, leaving me a drunk in misery. I should have prayed and made up my mind. I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired, I feel like dancing for a week. Being alone in this elbow that hurts me in that trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Oh, my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this room to I another cigarette just to pass my time. Heaven knows how bitter I am. Cause it seems the last away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should feel the waves and leave her on the wall. Turn to me, now this is the last away from me. Oh, I had strength to set free. It was because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Sir Eric, isa pa po, ang ganda ng boses mo, na dahil sa kumanta ka, nakapagpapasok ka ng customer. Sige.
Thank you.
Ay, ang mga pinsan ko, ang kuya ko, galing Baguio.
Nag-enjoy sa bagay, just kayo.
Naku, nilingalo ako talaga yung pinsan ko. Lagi ako sinusuportahan.
Magandang gabi sa mga bagong
Pasok performers!
To save my place when I'm gone, you need love to light the shadows on your face. If you bring wish your heart and fall upon the dawn, and it's not in stone, could you make it on your own? If I I'm flying out way to make it past the day to watch you guide you through the darkness of your day. If you wish your heart and fall upon the sun, well, I hold the sound when I'm there. Just bring me back to you. If I could, now I go wherever you will. We go high, go down low. I go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart. Run away with my soul. might still go on in your heart, in your mind. I still with you. Running time to find you. Without you, I go wherever you will go. With your mind, without love, I go wherever you will. If I could turn back time, I go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I go wherever you will go. I go wherever you will go. Thank you so much.
Wow! Sir Eric, ang galing mo naman. Sir Eric, tingnan mo dalawang customer kagad na papasok mo. Oo. Nang dahil dyan, kami naman na maglalambing sa'yo. Oo. Baka gusto mong mag-request sa amin kung anong kantang gusto mong marinig.
Balik ko siya magpunta tayo dito.
Oo, at saka mga kagawad pala ang ating mga guests. Hello po, kagawad! Hello po! Oo. Ang kuya ko naman yung kagawad ko sa bilang parang magaya. Kayo po dito. Opo, hello po. Oo, hindi kayo nakarating sa amin na nakaraan. Inintay namin kayo kagawad. Ang ganda sino kaya ako dito. Ang gabi hindi dumarating, hindi ako uuwi. Sige po. And then of course, sinuportahan ako ng isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na performer na ito. Oo. Kagawad, mamaya mo na sila pakinggan. Baka mamaya mapalitan kami dito bago pa lang po ako dito. Baka mamaya pag sila yung kumagtabi na ako mapalitan. Pero mamaya pagdating ni Madam Jen, si Madam Jen, pakakantayin natin itong dalawa na to. Kagawad, ano may mga gusto mong kantahan? Baka alam naman namin. Anong gusto mo? Favorite na song mo? Sorry.
Ano yan?
Mga piyesa raw natin.
Mga piyesa.
Wala mo kasi piyesa.
Piyesa ng mundo.
Hindi, kanta. Si Kuya naman po. Ay, maraming piyesa ng motor. Kuya. Yung pinsan ko kasi fresh from Baguio.
Totoo.
Yes. Kaya sige, pag ina niyo, huwag niyong gagawin ng mamaya. Pag kami natanggal dito, hayag kayo Ang ina niyo, kasi yan. Ang palukin ko ulo yun. At saka kagawad, hindi nyo ba alam sa lahat ng mga nandito, ito po ay magiging comedy bar na after siguro mga 10 taon na to.
Ang taga naman nun.
Magiging comedy bar na to kaya hindi na po kayo pupunta sa mga bar na nag-entrance kayo ng 500. Dito libre po ang entrance. Exit lang po yung may bayad. Tapos, dito na, doon na exit. Kasi ako nagbubunto. Actually, ako talaga may-ari nito eh. Ano gusto ko dito? Kanta-kanta mo na tayo, Pascal. Tapos, yung kasama mo, Sir Eric, kumakanta. Kumakasta. Ano ba? Kumakasta. Ay, kagawad!
Ay, kagawad!
Oo nga, wala. Oo, lagyan sana ng bubungan. Oo nga, lagyan ng bubong. Kung gusto mo ninyo mag-chill dito, kung gusto niyo yung high tone na inuman dito naman, kung gusto niyo nababasa habang umiinom, pwede naman dito. Sige, kanta-kanta mo na tayo. Something from Anne-Marie. Favorite mo gagawad ko pa, kumalin mo.
Global karaoke
Makatigit tayo mamaya ng mainit na bulalo pagka Malapis ka gawin. Let's go! I know you everything that I've been looking for, and it's I look into your eyes and tonight I saw more. Ay, sabi ko na nga po sa Kagawa tingniwan. Salamat po. If I ever fall in love with you. Si Sir Eric na lang nalanda natin. Sometimes when it's broken heart in me, and though it's gonna be with you, you're the one to hold me true, so I won't away. If I ever fall in love again, ladies and gentlemen, right.
Scared, I guess I'm scared to flying such a long way down.
In the air,
I think it's just me. I'm sure I'll come around.
I know when you heard this song, to let someone inside you. Give me your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's broken heart can mend. I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to hold me true, the way I'm away. If I ever fall in love again,
I feel told to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta think it's love. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again, yes, thank you so much. And welcome natin ang bagong dating. Hello, boss. Good evening and welcome to the Rooftop 11.11. Kagawad, maraming salamat po sa Buena Mano. Nang dahil dito, makakatikim na kami ng saba. Sir Eric, anong request mo? Sir Eric, anong request mo sa akin? Kahit anong kanta lang namin. From 1920s up to the present.
Ay, talaga.
Magkasama po, magkasama kayo sa trabaho? Barkada. Ano po? Ano gusto ninyo, sir? Tinitipon din ako, sir. Mura lang LB ko. 12 lang. Oo nga. Ayun, mas mura yung kalahati ng sais. Sino favorite yung singer? Ikaw? Bata pa naman ako, kaya yung naging sa kapunta, to the moon, road trip, room. Oo, kaya ko lang. Ikaw, ano ang favorite ko? Ako kasi, more on old song ako, mas magandang old song. Kamikaze. Oo.
Anong kanta si Kamikaze?
Anong kanta? Halik ng kamikasi. Ay, nako. Alam mo sa totoo lang, hindi naman sa pag-aaral. Meron kasi ang kaibigan. Ako kaya ko yun. Pero yung kaibigan ko kasi sinasabi sa akin, pakantayin mo naman ako sa akin. Eh baka mamaya mapahiya ako. Tawagin ko na yung kaibigan ko.
Okay, sige.
Ito ha. Actually, ako nagturo dito. Sabi mo sa kanya, ano pangalan?
Billy.
Si Billy. Si Billy ayos. Kasi ako kaya ko yun eh. Kasi ang boses ko kamikasi. Pero ipapakabayo ako sa kaibigan ko kasi nasataas na kami. Ako sa akin. Pagbibigyan ko lang. Basta, ano pangalan ka, sir? Von. Pag natuwa ka, alam mo na yun.
Subukan ko lang, wala.
Wala kang boses?
Na-esperano eh.
Paano kakapera mo yan, wala kang boses. Ayan ba yun? O ano si Billy? Ayan ang kuya. Kaya ito